Yo, welcome back to another video. I said welcome back to another reaction video, man. We got something not too new, but not too old, but right in the middle, man. We got bird flew inside car, eco crashes through car window. So, I mean, this little clip, I think it's old by now. I just seen it, a little bit of it. But we're gonna react to it, man. Why not? Why not, man? So, don't forget to smash that like, comment, subscribe button if you're new to the channel, man. Don't forget to say, we back, and we thank you guys for the 1K subs, man. We lit, man. Y'all boys got me lit. Your boys got me hot. Thank you guys, man. Roll the 2K. Roll the 2K, man. We're gonna get the not too fast, but we gonna get them, man. Let's get straight to the video, man. We got 5 minutes and 40 seconds in this vid. It's gonna be a quick little video, but you know I'm gonna push it to 7. So let's get straight to it.
What up, guys? What up? What up? What up? This is Kyle, and please support my channel, my YouTube channel, Kyle Venture.
Y'all go support his channel.
I'm doing a lot of stuff in my YouTube, but the thing is, I still need like more than 700 subscribers in order to get monetized. Yeah, I'm still hoping you guys can support me with this.
Y'all go support him, man.
I swear to God, if I got monetized, I'll be doing a lot of things. I mean, I've been doing a lot of things already, and I'm still looking for a perfect.
Oh,
look! It's this. Oh my God! There's some.
The bird, like, who the fuck is you?
In my car.
Oh, what's the worst fear?
Bird.
You wouldn't know what to do, but like, oh man.
Eagle. Look.
Look how he looking. I would've got out. I would've got out instantly. Oh, just fuck back.
Yeah. What?
Hey, he lucky he ain't try to attack him or nothing. I think the bird like scared just as much as him. Look how he looking at him though. He's staring at his soul. I would've got up out of that. I would've got up out of that. No cap. Yeah, there you go.
Dude, what are you doing? Oh, you're wounded.
Oh, he hurt.
Oh my God.
Still gonna take a picture out of all things.
Oh, stay there, buddy. Stay with me.
It's like, who do you call? You can't call the police because you got a bird in your car?
What are you?
It's an eagle.
Jesus Christ. It's some kind of National Geographic shit. Holy shit.
It's almost some kind of a National Geographic shit. Hey, you gotta think about it though. This God all the way. Before all of this happened, he was promoting his YouTube. He wanted people to watch his YouTube. He wanted people to subscribe so he can get monetized. God, I mean, God worked in mysterious ways. He let a bird fly through his rescue just so he can get some views and get more views and more people to watch him now. Man, God is good, man. You gotta give it up to God, man. Look how God works. In the midst of him talking about his YouTube channel, a bird flew through his rescue and get him more views. Now he's viral. Now he went big. That's what's up.
What are you?
God is good, man.
Jesus Christ.
Them toes ain't though. Them toes ain't.
National Geographic shit.
He just in there sleeping. What, he chilling?
Mother.
That's his car now.
Right now.
He finna take the honeys out tonight to go bowling or a couple drinks. That's his car.
God. Oh, I'm so
Some
lucky
Neo
I'm
Geographic
filming
shit.
right now.
That's what I just said.
Your spirit. Oh, God.
Oh, he got him out. That's good. Oh, he took care of him. He took him home.
Oh, God. It's a big wound, buddy.
The bird's real. Look how he looking. The bird really trusts him. The bird really trusts him. He's not really doing too much. He's not in attack mode or none of that. He's just chilling. It's that face though, how he just looking. Bro, why you looking like that?
Set you free, buddy. You don't want to eat your chicken joy?
He froze.
Come on, take a bite.
You look fake.
That's yours. That's yours, yeah. Come on. Oh, you want some gravy? That's what you want. Look.
Is he trying to get him to eat the chicken?
Joy in front of you, and you don't want to eat it. What's this?
All right, let's copyright it. So I'm gonna have to cut the sound. So when y'all see this video, y'all gonna wonder why the sound off. I had to cut it off. I ain't trying to get copyrighted, man. Let's see if he didn't. Now, what if he didn't fly? He threw his ass. What if he didn't fly? What I'm talking about. God gonna bless this dude, man. God gonna bless him, man. That's good. It's like he came to him for help. Yeah, I'm most definitely gonna have to cut the sound on this because this is copyrighted. Don't need that. Man, y'all go sub this cow, man. That's what's up. Alright. That's the end of that video, y'all. He had got... Oh, he got 2K subs. He reached his goal. He only had 700 when they said in the video. He got 2K now, just off that. That's good for him, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Once again, don't forget to comment more reactions so we can get a better understanding so we can react to the same feeling of neutrals, you know, so we can react to the same thing that we liking with it as a whole. You know, man, I love you guys. Don't forget to sub, man. Don't forget to sub so you can keep seeing bangers, man. I love you guys. We out.